Ayan, alright. Andito naman tayo at nagbabalik sa AB Awards kung saan pinaparangnan natin ang mga natatanging AB engineers. Ngayon ay nandito tayo sa final award at most grandest award, which is ang Agricultural and Biosystems Engineer of the Year. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Alright, here are your nominees.
Manny Pacquiao for the project Mahal Mo o Mahal Ako o Mahal na Bilihin Bridge.
Alden Richard for the project Hello, Love, Again, Paminta, Sibuyas, Bawang, Betchin, isang boteng gin, isang fortune puti, sa Lunes babayaran traktor.
Bea Bunda for the project For Kaban in the Kunuhan Solar Powered Storage Facility.
And Ivan Magsilang for the project Fei Shang, Gaoxing, Xixiang Greenhouse.
And the winner is none other than Ivan Magsilang.
Okay lang ba siya?
Oh my God, I'm so out of words. Pero, first of all, maraming salamat po for this award for believing in me. Actually, I have prepared the speech po. Teka, ibaba ko lang po ito. May kaya naman po ito. Sa lahat ng mga kalaban ko, mga talo na.
Okay naman sa fail.
So, first of all, thank you po kay Lord for always believing in me and sa guidance niya. Sa family ko, kay mama ko na Koreano, kay Papa, kay YT na aso ko, short for Dubidubidabdab, at kay Taylor Swift for always having me back. So, pakwento ko lang, growing up as a child, hindi ko naman talaga ginusto na maging isang engineer. I always hated math. Pero, ano nga bang nagpabago sa decision ko? Well, it was seeing and experiencing firsthand yung mga struggles ng agricultural sector. Yung laging kulang, yung naging kita, laging nasira yung mga pananim, and everything. And dahil doon, yun yung naging turning point ko, and yun yung naging dahilan kung ba't ako nag-pursue ng isang course sa college na related sa agriculture, which is this nga. I started doing little steps when I was in grade 10, grade 11, grade 12 with all of my researches being related to agriculture. And now, andito ako, na kahit mahirap, ay aking nagawa. I envisioned the Philippines in the future to have a bright agriculture with the help of agricultural and biosystems engineer like me. Sama-sama po tayo na magyabong. In English,
Together, let us sprout up. This is Ivan Magsilang para sa Bayan, Agham at Agrikultura.